Okay, so this is the video I am making just to highlight the changes or the modifications I have made to my car. So many people were asking what I have changed. So I was unable to tell them each thing. So I am making this particular video to explain all the works I have done till now. More of work is up to come. So this is the video just to show what the work has been done till now. So at the front I have fitted this custom crash guard. This is not the standard guard, or this is not made for the Duster. This is the custom guard from the another car which I have fitted to this to my car. So I have fitted this custom guard, and it took me literally 2 days to fit this to my car. So this was not made for my car, so it took me too long to fit for my car, and I have wrapped it in a thick rope to give it a tougher look. These are the lights, they were transparent, but I have tinted them with yellow. These are the two. Third is the number plate protectors. I have fitted number plate protectors on front and at the front and back to protect the number plate and to prevent it from bending. So 3 changes, so 3 modifications. Fourth is the orange highlighting at all around. So this car comes in a blue color, and I wanted a contrast color to highlight or to keep it stand apart from the crowd. So I have chosen an orange color. I have colored some bits and some parts of the car. So this is the first one. So I have fitted fog lamp to my car. These are the Lumix fog lamp. These were yellow, but later I changed the bulb because they were not great in terms of illumination. So I have changed them into the LEDs to match the LED DRL to my car. So these fog lamps are LEDs. These were not fitted to my car from the company, so I have fitted them externally. And this is another orange touch which I have given to my car, and now the Duster Turbo comes with the same. So this is to the front. The bulbs still are the xenons in both the high beam and low beam. So this is the body graphics, and many of people were asking about this. So this is the custom made body graphics. This is designed and made by me. So this is the Safari logo which I have enlarged, and to give it a distinct look I have bordered that C alphabet. So this is the Safari logo which I have created, and it can be fitted to any car, depends on the size and requirement. So these are the alloy wheels. This car or this particular RXS version doesn't come with alloy wheels. They were steel from the company, so I have fitted and changed it to the alloy wheels. So these are the alloy wheels which I have fitted to my car, and there is an orange accents as you can see, and so painted this tire letters in the white, but they are a bit dirty now, so these are not clearly visible. And all the cladding you see to the car, it was not fitted to the car, but later I got this last set for the Duster and fitted to my car. So all the cladding you see to my car is fitted by me. It doesn't come from the company. This is the Adventure logo. I have bordered it with orange piping, and up here is the Safari logo. I also fitted chrome set for the door handles, for all the door handles, and this is the chrome window lining. This is the sun visor, and I have tinted all the windows to the legal permission limit. So these are approximately 70% transparent something. I don't know the exact figure, but these are legal. Here you can see the orange accent and the blue piping. So these are the roof lights. I wanted this in square shape, so it was very hard to get one, but I finally found. And these are the lights, and all the lights you see are working. And I have also used this matte finishing at the front of the light to give it a distinct look. This was in body color, but I have used a matte finished radium at the front of the lights. So these are the mirror caps which I have painted in orange. Okay, so coming to the rear, here you can see the more orange accents, some radium lettering, and here you can see the number plate protector. And this is the custom graphics again which I have made for my car. This is the rear crash guard, and I have also wrapped it or thick rope to give it a tougher look. This is the rear parking camera. My car doesn't come with rear parking camera, but I have fitted a rear parking camera, which, and you can see that in the infotainment system. There is not separate screen. I wanted that in my infotainment system, so this view you get in the infotainment system itself. So I have painted this orange accents, you can see. So coming to the boot, I have done a leather flooring throughout the car, and here you can see the diamond quilted pattern on the flooring. This is the leather flooring, and this is the extra floor mat set which I have bought for my car. So above the leather flooring, this floor mats, this is the subwoofer, and this is the custom subwoofer which was in my house since 10 years. So I have fitted it to my car, and it sounds amazing. It is not that loud, it doesn't shake your car. I have kept its setting on the minus, and it's sufficient for me for my liking. And also this is the velvet cover for the parcel shelf, so that this will not get dirty, as it can catch dirt very easily. So I have this cover to which I lay on this parcel shelf, which protect the parcel shelf from getting dirty. I have tinted this rear glass too. So all the glass area you see here is tinted to keep the AC working more efficiently. And this is the shark fin antenna, which comes in a carbon fiber finish, but I have painted that too in orange. And also I have fitted a turbocharger sound enhancer in the silencer itself. So here you can see more orange accent. This car doesn't require footstep, but for the side protection I have fitted this footstep, and literally it saved me once. So these are very useful. You don't need, because the car is not that much heighted, but it's just for the safety purpose. And here you can see the adventure logo again, the chrome kit for the door handles and the window lining. These are the door protectors which will protect in congested parking space. So here you can see the more orange accents. So let's go and see what the changes I have made in the interior. So I have wrapped all the seats in a leather cover. So these are from the Renault itself, which I got as a part of deal from the Renault. And these are the sky blue piping on the interior. I have used sky blue color in the interior and orange on the exterior. So here you can see the leather flooring, and here you can see a set of mats which I have purchased, and these are from the company. These floor mats I got from the company. So there are 3 layers of protection to the floor. This is the leather flooring. Here is the set of mats which I got, and this is the set of mat I got from the company. Okay, so all the bulbs in the interior I have changed it to the white. They were yellow before, so these are white now. All the lights you see in the interior are white in color, they are LED. So as you can see in the interior, there are again 3 level of protection for the flooring. As you can see, there is sky blue piping on the AC vents, to the tweeter housing, and to the speaker. I have changed the speaker itself. The standard speaker in the car were too low on quality, and were pathetic, so I have changed this to the 6.5 inch focal component at the front. Component means you have a mid-range and a tweeter at the front and a two-way speaker at the back. Let me show you that. So here you can see this is a two-way speaker in which there is a speaker and tweeter are as a one set at the rear, and there is a component at the front. So these are the focal component and focal speakers. So I wanted a crisp audio quality with a sufficient bass, so I chose this focal over the JBL. So if you want these speakers, you can contact me. So any kind of accessories you see here, and if you want for yourself, you can contact me. My car didn't come with an armrest, so for the driving ease and for the driving comfort, this was my first upgrade. So I got this armrest for my car, and it's in black color to match the interior. You also get a tan or beige color. There was an option of beige, but I chose this black because it suits the overall interior of the car, and there is enough space to keep your things in here, and you can easily operate the handbrake. And there is also a rubberized gear knob protector. This is the leather wrap steering wheel. I have wrapped this steering wheel in the leather, and it is fitted perfectly. It doesn't feel loose anywhere. The stitching is done by hand, so it is very tight and gives good grip while driving the car. As you can see, here is the white light again, and the pillow for the neck rest. Okay, so these are the changes I have made to my car, and more is yet to come. So this is the custom graphic set again for the door sill. Okay, I'll show you the reverse camera. So this is how the rear camera looks. It's sufficient, and you can adjust the brightness and the color variation from here according to your liking. So it also gets the guidelines, which are very helpful, and the car comes with the rear parking sensor. So my car is now having a rear parking camera and a rear parking sensor. I have also changed the horn. Sounds like this. So for the sound quality of my system, I'll give a clip at the end of the video, so you can hear the sound quality of vocal system which I have fitted to my car. So that's it. These are the changes I have made to my car, and more is yet to come. So as soon as I get any update, I'll make a different video on that modification, so you'll get a detailed idea. And talking about this orange color accents which I have given, so I had to cover all the remaining area or the surrounding area with the paper. So it literally took me whole one day to just cover the remaining area and to keep the area which I wanted to paint. So it literally took me one day just to wrap the car in paper. So this was not the easy, and all these modifications I have done are not from the one place. If you want any accessories that you have seen in this video or any kind of modification you want, you can contact me. I'll help you to get that done. So that's it for today, and if I do any modification to my car again, I'll make a different video on that. Thanks for watching.